Okay, this is recording. Okay, do you wanna just snap finger like this? It was really easy, pal. I'll show you. First, just you gotta make your finger like this. No, you can't. You can't just put your finger like this, because you need to put your like this finger over here. Because when this finger just got into this finger, it's just going to be like a sound. So let me show you example. Okay, try on your own. It will need a little bit of practice, but okay. It was really easy, and you can watch and you can just subscribe if you want to. We almost hit 50 subscribers, so subscribe if you want to. Bye.